Local students use the holidays to help people on the other side of the world.
Rockford Lutheran High School raised money to buy animals for people in Tanzania. Eyewitness News celebrates those who make a state line strong. The money will be used to buy 14 dairy goats, a dairy cow, and a beehive. The animals will provide food for people in Tanzania. It was for the school's Thanks for Giving to Tanzania Giving Tuesday project. Students say the grade levels held a competition to raise the most money. Juniors won, so they got a free private snack room.
Honestly, it was a lot of fun this month doing the fundraiser. I thought it was a lot of fun. The competition was there, and helping people that are less fortunate honestly put a smile on my face because it makes me feel better. It does.
Students raised more than $2,300.